For the E36 Touring, I will also be using some aftermarket wheels. I'm going to stick to the typical styling that is used aftermarket on these BMWs. I think really looks cool as well, so I chose some BBS CH wheels. It is of course from USCP, aftermarket as well. They come with a nice set of tires and of course the 4 wheels as well. The tires are nicely detailed from both the front and of course the side with a nice pattern on them. I think these are Bridgestone Potenzas. I'm not really sure, but I do really like the look of this pattern. If you so desire, as with any set of USCP wheels, they also come with the optional female and male fitment. In this set you get 4 wheels for same width and size of course, so I'm not really going to bother showing the other 3 as they look identical. It has a nice engraving on the center surrounding the lugs, and of course the general detailing of the wheels, as you are probably used to by now from USCP.